What's up, everyone? This is the Big Top Punjabi. I'm back here with video number 1 per your request. So we're going to be talking about dispatching. Who is a dispatcher? You might see these people sitting in one single office in different cubicles talking to different people. They're passing on instructions to other people. I know they're sitting casually, but they're doing their job on their headphones, right? They're talking to somebody and passing on some instructions. You won't be able to do the job like that, but some of the responsibilities of dispatchers and duties, you can pause this video and watch these, like delivery routes, maintenance, collaborate with the management, act as communication liaison, cultivate strong relationship with the drivers. It's the main thing you need to do. Monitor sudden route changes, stuff like that. There are different types of dispatchers. There's emergency dispatchers, the 911 dispatchers, and there's transportation dispatchers. There's mechanical dispatchers. So a dispatcher's job is basically to pass on some information from one point to the other. So in other words, like the freight has to be transported from point A to point B, and how it has to be transported. Let's say these guys are bringing the containers to the dock or taking it away from the dock. So since the time the shipment has been picked up by from the shipper and to the consignee, it's a dispatcher's job in the middle to maintain what's happening in the middle, right? So some of the qualifications and skills you need, basically a diploma. Okay, you people can hire you with a high school diploma as well. You should be able to work flexible schedules, strong knowledge of the geography of the area, ability to work in a team environment, stuff like that, right? Good communication skills. And then moreover, you're also looking into the fact that everybody, or at least the driver and the customer, they're both relying on you for some information. So a dispatcher's position is very critical to where he is sitting, because any information that's not passed along to the right parties, we are looking forward for a collapse in a communication that is like miscommunication. Let's say you tell somebody to put on a temperature -10 and he puts on -1 or 0. So till the time basically the freight comes to the final consignee, it's your job as a dispatcher to maintain it.